Question 14. Find the length of x. Here's the length of x. To the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Then the measure angle y to the nearest degree. Okay, so let's find the length of x to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. All right, let's draw it out and then find angle y. Let's make some space so we can see the writing. This right here is x. This right here is 20 degrees. And here is 31. And of course, this is 22 centimeters, and we want y. So let's solve for x first. Well, here's our angle, 31. Our hypotenuse is right here. This is our adjacent side. So cos of 31 degrees equals adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 30. So x is equal to 30 times cos of 31 degrees. So let's try that. Cos of 31 times 30. Cos of 31 times 30 equals 25.7. What did we say that was? 25.7. So x equals 25.7 centimeters. So this is equal to 25.7. So how do we find angle y? Well, cos of y is equal to adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. 25.7 over 22, which is our hypotenuse. So y is going to be equal to inverse cos 25.7 over 22. 25.7 divided by 22 equals, let's inverse cos that answer. Inverse cos, our answer, previous answer, close brackets, equals, how is it undefined? No, something's definitely wrong here. 25.7? Yes. Undefined. So we have a problem. That's right, because this is basically saying that my adjacent side is longer than my hypotenuse. Oh, I see my problem. I said that's 20 right there, 30 right there when it was 20. So that's why it doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's redo the question. Sorry about that, people. This is actually a 20 right there. 20. This is a 20. Okay, so let's redo this. And this is obviously not 25.7. It can't be. It can't be longer than the hypotenuse, right? So 20 times cos of 31. 20 times cos of 31. 17.14. 17.14. That makes a little bit more sense. So now our adjacent side is 17.14. Let's rewrite that. 17.14. That's our adjacent side. Over our hypotenuse is still 22. So 17.1. Let's just write 17.1 because we have to round it to the nearest tenth over 22. So let's solve that. 17.1 divided by 22. All right, how are we going to do this? And the inverse tan of that. Yes. Inverse cos, sorry, not inverse tan, inverse cos. 17.1 over 22. 17.1 divided by 22. Enter. 39 degrees. y equals 39 degrees. And that's it. We found x. We